What are stay-put rights in special education? Have you ever wondered what happens when there is a disagreement about a student's educational program? This is where stay-put rights come into play. Stay-put rights are a legal protection under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. They ensure that a student with a disability remains in their current educational placement while disputes about their Individualized Education Program or placement are being resolved. When a parent files a due process complaint challenging a proposed change in placement or services, stay-put rights are triggered. This means that the student continues to receive the services and supports outlined in their most recent, agreed-upon Individualized Education Program until the dispute is settled. The current educational placement refers to the student's existing educational setting and services as specified in the latest implemented Individualized Education Program. It is important to note that stay-put rights do not automatically apply to other types of dispute resolutions like mediation or state complaints. The purpose of this provision is to prevent students from being moved back and forth between placements during disputes. This ensures stability and consistency in their education, protecting against unilateral changes by the school that might disrupt the student's progress. Stay-put rights cover all services and supports included in the current Individualized Education Program. If the school wants to reduce or remove any service, stay-put can keep those services in place until the issue is resolved. However, it generally does not apply to accommodations under Section 500 for plans. There are exceptions to these rights. Changes in placement due to disciplinary reasons may not be covered by stay-put protections. For teachers, understanding stay-put rights is essential. During disputes, the educational program they deliver must remain consistent with the existing Individualized Education Program. Any proposed changes to a student's placement or services cannot be implemented until the dispute is resolved, unless there is mutual agreement. This ensures that students with disabilities experience minimal disruption and continue to receive the supports they need while disagreements are addressed. In practice, teachers should follow the current Individualized Education Program exactly during disputes. Clear communication with parents and special education teams about the stay-put provision is vital when disagreements arise. Collaboration with administrators and special education coordinators is also necessary to ensure compliance with stay-put requirements. Documenting any changes or communications related to the student's placement or services is important. Understanding and respecting stay-put rights helps teachers provide stable, consistent education to students with disabilities while supporting the legal protections designed to safeguard these students' educational progress.